So I hope you guys are still enjoying the ride. This GSXR750 is a lot of fun. I would love to just get out and just pummel this bike for a few hours on these roads. This thing would absolutely shine on the Chirahela Skyway. All right, that is our Suzuki experience there. Oh, school zone. It goes from 35 now to 25. I'm not sure which direction I am going home though today. I was going to take that road home. Fortunately, there were no police except for that one. That is a school officer though. The people at TWO, all the riders hanging out, I guess there was a guy that died last week on a motorcycle, and he was hit by somebody in a BMW. So they are cracking down. That's why we saw the 4 cops on the way over here. We definitely don't want to see them again on the way home, but I think I am going to take Wolfpen Gap home and then hit 129 and head back to the house. It's around 3 o'clock now. I probably need to be home by about 4:30. We're not going to tell the missus that we're shopping for a motorcycle. So you all need to keep your mouth shut. But that's TWO right there, the Suzuki trailer. That is one big truck. But for the kind of riding I do, this GSXR750 is absolutely the tool I'd like to have in my toolbox. All right, there it is. There's the Suzuki trailer, Suzuki tent. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button.